The Xiaomi One S1 Active Watch should help you to get better in shape, be more healthy and manage your time better. In this video, you will see what to expect from the S1 Active smartwatch. And I will share with you tips and tricks to get more out of this Xiaomi smartwatch. So let's get started. The S1 is certainly not a new and innovative design. One thing that they're definitely good at in the East is to look at the most successful competitor, copy and try to improve it carefully. With this watch you can keep track of all your sporting activities even better and easier than its predecessor. The watch received a new chip that will allow the watch to detect even faster what type of workout you're doing, which works so far pretty good. Every time I went for a walk or run, it easily managed to recognize it. There are extra functions to exercise better or to make it more fun, such as listening to your favorite music or to turn off notifications. Number 3. Select the sport modes you use most quicker and reminds you to work out. Or, last but not least, get back to business fast by removing water from the speaker after swimming. The heart rate monitor ensures that you can actually use it as a fitness tracker. A reliable, continuous heart rate measurement during exercises gives you live feedback about the level of intensity at which you are exercising, and compared to the blood pressure device from 𝗦𝗵cie, it says that it's super accurate. I do find that the dual band GPS had a fast fix and accurate positioning. It tracks the route precisely and I had nothing to complain about. Despite the fact that the GPS is accurate, the altitude meter isn't that correct. The Watch S1 has all the basics, or only the basics, like weather, the alarm, timers, a phone finder and camera shutter control. There is support for Alexa as a voice assistant, but that's not very helpful if you're deep into the Google ecosystem. And in terms of tracking your sporting activities, the much improved workout app includes high-intensity interval training and additional options while swimming, such as tracking the distance. Even with all the bundled apps and features, the software on these watches make them feel more like large fitness trackers than smartwatches. From notifications to phone calls to the weather, this is all stuff that Xiaomi's Mi Band 6, or basically any other modern fitness band, like a Fitbit Charge, can do. Nothing really makes this watch feel like a smartwatch other than the design. Luckily, because it's such a light operating system, the performance is smooth and therefore great. One thing that I would definitely like to highlight is how easy it is to switch devices. You don't need to reset the watch, you just download the app and hit connect. No resets, no settings, nothing. This is the holy grail of smartwatch pairing. The battery life on this Xiaomi S1 Active smartwatch is also much longer than your average smartwatch. During the night it drops around 3% with precise sleep monitoring on, but during the day it drops quicker. I've been getting therefore between 5 to 7 days of battery life compared to the advertised 12 days. I did enable always-on stress monitoring, SpO2 and heart rate tracking, and it's better than most smartwatches, but becomes less worthwhile when you try to do anything more advanced. There are though a few points of interest, namely there is no possibility to do wireless card payments, at least they're not supported here in Holland yet. The plastic used doesn't make it feel like a luxury or premium sports watch, and there's no third-party software support or the possibility to connect it to any other app than Apple Health or Strava. Bottom line, should you buy one? Not really if you're into tracking your sporting activities precisely and you want or need a more powerful smartwatch with app support. You should get it if you want a fancy fitness tracker with this great looking display, and as well as a few other smartwatch features tacked on. Because the extras like calling from the watch or the GPS functionality, the Mi Band 6 does pretty much the same. If you want to know what the Mi Band 6 can do, then continue on with this video where I share 5 awesome tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see all of you in the next one.